Okay, so you have a 6 by 6 squares grid, and you have these randomly generated numbers, and you can drag on top of them to create different colors. The way you complete this puzzle is you have to fill the whole rectangle, well, the whole grid with colors, and at the same time, the second rule is each color cannot contain multiple numbers. So this is not a valid solution. And the third rule is the number tells you how many squares of that color will be in your shape. So in our case, we have number 5. It means it needs to contain 5 squares. So it can look like this, or like this, or yeah, those are your only two options. So you will have to go and readjust your shapes to try and have a grid that, like I said, is filled with colors, and at the same time all numbers are within their right shapes. So let's try to solve one. We're gonna go like this: 2 by 4, 1, 1. Okay, probably like this. 6. Okay, this is the right solution, and we're gonna drag the last move right here, and as soon as I drop my click or my tap, the level will move to the next one. But what I'm trying to say is that at this point, everything is solved. Each number has the right number of squares, and now we move on to the next level. There is no end to the game. You will get a new level after each finish. If you don't want to play anymore, just tap on X and the game will end. Okay, so let's solve one more. 3 by 3. Okay, 6. And okay, this is a simpler one. And yeah, like I said, new levels will keep generating. And once you don't want to play anymore, tap on X and game will end. So yeah.